Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell cryptocurrencies using the Nash app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Nash. Then you will have to go to the buy and sell option, which is on the left side of the menu, the second one from the right. And here in this menu you can either buy or sell cryptocurrencies. On the top of the screen you can switch between buy and sell. Now, one thing that you should know, that when you sign up for this app, when you download and sign up, first you have to verify your identity, which means that you have to tap on this icon on the top of the screen which says identity verification, and you have to type in your full government name and your birth date. And after that, there are a few more steps where you have to upload a copy of your ID card or driving license, which can prove your identity. Then you have to upload a selfie also, and they are going to verify your identity in a few minutes, and then you will be able to buy and sell cryptos on their site. To sell cryptos, you just have to come to this section and you have to choose the crypto that you would like to sell and just tap on sell. And there it's going to open up your wallet and you can type in the amount of crypto that you would like to sell from your wallet. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.